there is one thing we take rather seriously, and that is keeping an eye out, or in today's case, taking inventory of the things we love and maybe even can't live without. Of course, I'm talking about the Studio 5 love list, and today I'm adding something I love to this growing list. I really love Ikea plastic freezer bags. Yes, I'm serious here. I'm adding a very practical item to the Studio 5 love list. I've been using these trusty plastic bags for several years now, and here's why. Number one, they're cute. I just like the colors, I like that they're cute. They also come in great sizes, so each box comes with 2 different sizes. The biggest bag is like a 6-quart bag, and I find it fits everything in it. They're also really sturdy, they're thick. And sometimes those generic plastic bags rip or break. Well, these don't. I love them. And they're also really affordable. Each box is less than $3, and they come with 30 to 60 bags depending on which box you buy. I've used them for snacks in my purse. I've used them to store decorations. I'm telling you what, add them to your bag, add them to your drawer of plastic bags. You'll love them just as much. They're called Istad, and they're found at Ikea, and they are near the pots and pans section. So go check them out.